So we face enormous moments where we try to figure out if someone is attracted to us or not. We get confused if that touch or laugh was special or not. Especially men tend to think if a girl is doing these things intentionally or unintentionally. Often guys fail to pick up the hint. They don't understand if a girl has any attraction towards him or not. How to know she is secretly attracted to you? You have come to the right place. Watch this video to the end and learn 10 traits of this video. Let's start. Number 10. She shows a little bit of jealousy. People have a tendency to be jealous, but only when someone is special to them. Girls are also jealous and possessive of someone when they like someone. Guys, do any girls get jealous when you tell them about your ex or someone you find attractive, and you wonder why she is jealous? Because she likes you and is attracted to you. When you talk about your ex or some attractive woman, she feels that you are not attracted to her, and this makes her jealous. Women try to show that they are not in trouble, but often they fail to hide their jealousy when they are attracted to someone. So if you think her jealousy about you is weird, you will not get her hint. Her jealousy reflects her attraction to you. I know you feel puzzled about the reason. I have a solution for you. Just imagine that you would be jealous if she started talking about her ex or another man. Also, you will know why it is a sign that she is secretly attracted to you. Number 9. She's sharing her special feelings for you. When we connect with someone and are attracted to them, we want to share our feelings with that person. If a girl shares her feelings with you, it means that she feels comfortable with you, and she is attracted to you. A girl does not share her feelings freely with everyone, because she feels uneasy about it. But if she shares her feelings freely with you, you are in luck. She trusts you and cares about you. That's why she starts sharing her feelings with you. When she shares her feelings with you, try to respect her feelings. Try to understand her motives behind it. She does not want to look too interested, but she also wants to be interested in you. Therefore, read the signs carefully. Number 8. She flirtatious body language. We're all at times more or less in love. Also, in today's world, it has become very common for us to have romantic feelings. But remember, flirting over the phone is not the same as flirting. When a girl is having an affair, she tries to give you a sign. Body language that is subject to romantic feelings is very forward-looking, but it is a very common little thing in one's behavior. For example, if she connects with you deeply, she shows her interest in you, touching the hand or leaning a little on your body and smiling or smiling gently and softly. These are the little romantic feelings that girls do. Girls do not indulge in extra sex through their body language because they feel ashamed. Sometimes being upset in front of a boy means that a girl is attracted to him. But guys always remember not to misinterpret it and not to say something inappropriate, because it destroys the bond between the two of you. Number 7. She tries to get your attention. Everyone thinks that girls are always very caring by nature. That is definitely true at some point. But not all girls care about every guy they talk to. Until a girl feels some attraction to a boy, she does not care about him. If her behavior concerns you, it is not a coincidence. She will definitely care about you. She cares about you and tries to get your attention and give you a hint. For example, if she cares about your health or your mood or any of your problems, she will definitely be attracted to you. She will ask you about your day and whether you are well or not. These are the signs that a girl is secretly attracted to you. Number 6. She will be interested in your life too. When we are attracted to someone, we are also interested in their lives. If a girl is attracted to you, she will want to know not only about her personal life, but also about your life. She will ask you about your family, friends, your tastes, and other things. Too often boys misunderstand this is just something. But I can tell you that no girl is interested in you unless you feel attracted to her. She will start telling you about her life and then slowly take over your life as well. She will also be interested in your past relationships and the reason for your separation. So, if a girl asks a lot about your personal life, do not misunderstand it as a normal thing. Try to tell her honestly about your life, as it is very attractive to a girl. Number 5. She talking about personal life. We do not usually talk to anyone about our personal life. Girls are very secretive, especially about their personal lives or previous relationships. But when a girl shares these things with you, it means that she is totally interested in you. Girls take the time to open up about their lives. Also, they don't start talking about it with anyone. But if she is attracted to any boy, she talks to him about her life. She will also talk about her past relationships, because he feels a connection between the two of you. But often boys make mistakes and are more interested in a girl's past life. This is not the right thing to do. If a girl is interested in you, she is open about these things. It will take some time, but she will talk about her life, her ex, and other things. So boys, do not rush into anything. If she is interested, she will slowly let you know about everything in her life. You have to wait, and if she informs you about everything, you have to understand her intentions. Number 4. She will try extra to the meeting. If we do not want to, we will not try. We try only what is important to us. You don't put extra effort into every trip or meeting, right? But if the meeting is special to you, you tend to do a little more. The girls do not make every effort to attend every little meeting they hold. But if you are attractive, she will give extra effort to the meeting. For example, she will choose her dress wisely, or she will ask you what she is wearing. These signs indicate that a girl is secretly attracted to you. Otherwise, she would not be making this attempt on behalf of another man. These things happen when she's really excited about the meeting. And, obviously, we all know that we are only interested in something interesting. Therefore, try to understand these signs. Observe her closely, then you can know if she is attracted to you or not. Number 3. She is waiting to meet you. It's great to meet someone we all know over time. Girls avoid meeting boys for fear of giving the wrong signals. But if a girl wants to meet you, it means that she is attracted to you. Guys, I know you had a lot of this when you asked a girl but she refused. I know it's really hurtful. But if a girl asks you to meet her, do not refuse. Girls usually do not ask boys. They feel uncomfortable about it. But if she takes a step back and asks you out, it's definitely an attraction. It takes a lot of courage for a girl to ask a boy about dating. But in most cases, girls are not asked to meet. But if you ask her and she says yes on the first trip, it's definitely a hint. Because if she is not attracted, she will refuse the meeting. So if you feel that she wants to meet you, do not miss the opportunity, whether she asks you or you ask her. Because opportunities do not come often. Number 2. She waiting for your calls or texts. We usually do not like to talk on the phone these days. This seems like a bit of a hassle for us. Girls in particular try to avoid talking on the phone with the boys they meet. But if she's talking to you on the phone and waiting for your calls to come, my friend, you're lucky. Because then the girl will definitely be interested in you. When she tells you that she was waiting for you to text her or talk to her, this means that she will definitely give you a hint. Also, this is your time to get it. Because if you are a random man, she does not care if you talk to her or not. But in this case, you are definitely special to her and she cares about you. So if you get this sign from her, act wisely. Try to call her every day. Do not let her wait for 3 or 4 days, because it will show that you are not interested in her. Also, girls like boys who have the courage to make moves. Therefore, do not miss the opportunity of a possible relationship. Number 1. She is texting first. We all know that social media is very important in the world today. Whether on Facebook or WhatsApp or Instagram, we always text each other on social media. Also, talking on social media is really important to us. We all have a misconception that girls never leave a message for a boy. But let me tell you very clearly that they do. Yes, some guys may be shocked by that, but it's true. So guys, do you have a girlfriend texting first? And let me guess, do you think she's just texting you? If you think of this, please stop it immediately. There are plenty of girls who talk casually with boys, but when most girls are interested in a boy, they first send a text message. Sending messages first means she tries to show interest in you. When you talk a lot and she texts you first, she tries to give you a hint that you like her. She tries to make some effort to talk to you, and she tries to get your attention. Girls usually do not directly say that you are attracted to her, but if they give these signs, it means that a girl is secretly attracted to you. So be very careful and try to understand her tips.